Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Gigabyte motherboard model and that BIOS is up to date. This matters because secure boot options can differ by revision. Once done, make sure Windows already meets TPM2, 0 requirements, and that your disk uses GPT rather than MBR. You should back up important files and prepare a USB drive for BIOS updates or recovery. Now reboot into the BIOS using Delete or F2 and proceed to the firmware settings. You're ready for the configuration steps. You navigate to BIOS settings and find Windows OS selection. Choose Windows 8/10/11 so the firmware exposes Secure Boot. Next, locate Secure Boot and switch it to Enabled. Use standard mode unless you need a custom key. Make sure Compatibility Support Module, CSM, is disabled because Secure Boot requires UEFI. If your drive was converted from MBR to GPT, double-check boot entries. Once these options are adjusted, save changes but do not exit wildly. Verify the boot. You save and exit BIOS, then let Windows boot and immediately check system information for secure boot state to confirm it reads on. If Windows fails to boot, don't panic. Re-enter BIOS and temporarily enable CSM to regain access, or restore BIOS defaults to undo a conflicting change. Make sure the system drive is GPT and that Windows Boot Manager is the chosen UEFI entry. If a BIOS update went wrong, use Gigabyte QFlash or a recovery USB to restore firmware and retry the secure boot enablement.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.